So guys, we're here in the last part. Just continue to make half double crochet. Just continue to join here. Okay, then after that we're going to cut. Okay, then I'm going to count the same what I put here. I'm going to count 5. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, because we're going to put a meter here if it's correct. Okay. Okay. Because this bag, guys, I'm going to make a backpack. Okay, and this is I'm going to make a cover. And if you want to make this kind of bag, you can make also two-way. You can make a sling bag or even three-way sling bag, shoulder bag, and backpack. So since I'm gonna make a cover, so that's why I put a sign here, because we're going to make a square. So I'll show you how I make it. So I will put this yarn here on this side. Then we're going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. We will make 2 chains first, 1, 2, then again in the same stitch another 1 double crochet, do like this your work. Then after that you are going to escape this 1 stitch here, and you are going to insert your hook here in the third stitch. We will gonna make the same design of what I made here, so the same design for our cover. So like this, then skip another stitch, then insert your hook here in the next stitch. So the same process. Okay, then chain 1, then you have to do like this your yarn and escape 1 stitch and insert your hook in the next stitch. Then again, so you have to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then chain 1 and do like this your hook yarn. So the same process and until here. So I will come back. So we're in the last part, so I will take out this. chain 1, then you're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2. Okay, then turn back your work. So the same if what we start here, so the same until more rounds. I'll show you then if how many rounds we need for this bag. Okay, just insert your hook here in the same stitch, then chain 1, then you have to skip 1 stitch and insert your hook in the next stitch. Be sure that it's aligned. Okay, be sure that it's aligned your work. Okay, so the same in this part, in this side. Okay, I'll show you then after. So guys, I made 7 rounds for this. 7 rounds. Okay, 7 rounds guys. So I use needle guys, so that we're going to insert the one of this hook. So guys, I make this for our here. I'm going to insert in this side. So $24. So we will try to put inside if it's okay. Try to put here. We'll try guys if it's okay. So I think we need more. Okay, we need more for this. So guys, it depends to you on how long you want. Okay, and it depends also to the bag you're going to make. Okay, so that because I'm going to put this for lap, magnetic lap. So we will put this one here. Okay, and we have to put the washer. This is called the washer. Okay, then after that I'm using this because I didn't have other things to use. Just do like this. Be sure that it's tight. Okay, so we're done. So we have to put also our this. We'll see if it's correct. Okay, be sure that your work is center. Okay, so we have to put this one here. Put the washer. So the same. So it's finished. So it's finished, guys. So the only thing we need is we have to put something here so that they cannot see this. So let's make a magic ring first. Magic ring. Then we're going to make a chain 3. Okay, 1, 2. Then we have to make 12. 12 double crochet. So I'm finished, guys, to make this 12 double crochets. So we're going to put here, okay, we're going to put here so that our work is not then you have to do so I'm done, guys, with this. So our bag now is finished. So it's finished, guys. So I put something inside so that it's gonna stand. So I'm going to make this side for a sling, for because this is backpack, or if you want also you can make also a sling bag. So it depends to you on how you make this kind of bag. So I'm finished, guys. I put already the linen here inside. Okay, I put already linen inside and I put extension here so that it's not so tight. And I make also this. For this, guys, just make a chains. It's up to you if how long your chains to make. And I already attach also this magnetic. So and behind the back, because this is backpack, or you can use also for two-way, I put this one here so that if you like sling bag or shoulder bag, you can put this one in here. And I use the ring right here. I use the ring so that it's easy for you to take it off this. Okay, and if you want sling bag, so you can put this one here. So it's easy, and it's easy also here to take it out. And that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you like it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to follow also. Thank you so much.